Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Eric. One of you guys asked me if I could do a quick video on how to fix a rewind quick. And this is a brand new one for demonstration purposes. Let's get her pulled out. Flip it out. So if your rewind pulled through, then let me just take it and unwind this. There we go. So you've got a rewind, it won't go back in, right? And you've got a couple of different problems that may exist. One is there's a spring underneath here that coils up. It may have broke the tip off. Sometimes you can take and just bend them. But this is what I'm talking about. You can just take, and this is the spring that's underneath it, and a lot of times these ears will bust off. Sometimes you can heat a little bit and bend it to reuse it. But most of the time what ends up happening is the rope pulls through or the rope breaks, right? So what you want to do is you want to take and thread your rope in through there and into the hole in the rewind. Bring it out, tie a knot just like that, pull it back through, make sure it's set, and then just take and grab right a hold of that rope. And what we're going to do, see if I can get it, is we're going to walk this right around. Oh, if I can get a hold of her. Just keep walking it. You still got your slack. But all I'm doing is I'm taking the one that's with the knot in it and I'm staying right tight and I'm winding that around. Now, if you go in the right way, you're going to have resistance, right? You want to make sure that you've got enough wraps on it so that it will go back. I'm going to go one more. Just like that. And then just pull this right out like that. And then let it go back. And that's all there is to it. You can do it. It's just putting the line through, putting the new knot, and then just walking it around, leaving the rope hanging out because you're trying to get the spring tight enough to pull it back so that it's working just like new. So on that note, you guys have a great day.